Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu quickly and easily using a one-click installation script. Before we get started, please download the installation script from the link I provided in the description below this video. Once you have the script, upload it to the /opt directory on your Ubuntu machine. You can use SCP, SFTP, or any other file transfer method you prefer. Next, give the script execute permission, then run it with source. When the script finishes, Docker will be installed and ready to use. You can verify it by running. And that's it. Installing Docker on Ubuntu has never been easier thanks to this one-click script. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you want more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy containerizing!